This is how you make a scrunchie. I'm making use of satin fabric. The width of the scrunchie is 4.2 inches and the length is 35 inches. I'm also making use of elastic of length 7.5 inches. This depends on how stretchy you want your scrunchie to be. The first step is to fold the length of your fabric in two with the right sides facing each other and sew with half of an inch. After sewing, you're going to fold the fabric in 2 layers. Fold the top layer until it becomes tiny and then take the bottom layer and fold it into 2. I'm repeating the same process just before I sew, just so you get the idea of what I'm doing. While sewing, make sure that the folded inner layer does not come in between your seam. So you're going to sew and drag. You're sewing and then dragging the inner folded layer outside until you're able to sew it round, and then you're going to leave about 1.5 to 2 inches space for you to be able to pull out your scrunchie. If it's your first time making a scrunchie, it might seem difficult at first, but I promise you it gets easier. So from this opening, I'm going to pull out my scrunchie. I left lesser than 1.5 inches, so it was a bit of a struggle to pull it out. But make sure you do the right thing and it will be easier for you. At this point, you can go ahead to iron it down. Then you get your safety pin and elastic. Pass the elastic through the scrunchie via the hole we created. Make sure not to lose the other end of your elastic. Now you can secure the ends of the elastic by sewing them together. After that, you're going to readjust the scrunchie to make the gathers a bit more even, and then remember that space we left before. Now we're going to fold it in neatly and top stitch it. And just like that, you've created a really beautiful scrunchie. You can decide to alter the measurements depending on how tiny or large you want your scrunchie to be. So yeah, I hope you found this tutorial really helpful. If you did, leave a comment. If you have any questions, drop them below. And also don't forget to give this video a like as well. And also subscribe. Thank you for watching.